To use Cash App Boost on DoorDash, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and navigating to the Cash Card tab. Here you will find the Boost section, which offers various discounts and rewards for using your Cash Card at participating merchants, including DoorDash. First, ensure you have a Cash Card, as Boosts are only available for Cash Card holders. If you do not have a Cash Card, apply for one through the Cash App. Once you have your Cash Card, go back to the Boost section and browse through the available offers. Look for the DoorDash Boost, which may offer a percentage off your order or a fixed amount discount. After selecting the DoorDash Boost, read and understand the terms and conditions, including any minimum purchase requirements or expiration dates. Activate the Boost by clicking the Add Boost button, and confirm that it has been successfully added to your Cash Card. Next, open the DoorDash app and start building your order as you normally would. When you are ready to check out, select Cash Card as your payment method. Ensure that the Cash Card you are using is the same one associated with the activated Boost. As you complete your DoorDash order, the discount from the Cash App Boost will be automatically applied to your total. Review your order summary to confirm the discount has been applied correctly before completing your purchase. To maximize the benefits of using Cash App Boost on DoorDash, make sure to regularly check the Boost section for new and updated offers. Some Boosts may be limited time only or have specific requirements, so it is essential to review the terms before using them. By following these steps and taking advantage of the available Boosts, you can save money on your DoorDash orders and get the most out of your Cash App experience. Always review the terms and conditions of each Boost to ensure you understand how to use them effectively and avoid any potential issues with your discounts.